welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be cleaning my messy kitchen. It's gross. But it's been a while since I've done a cleaning video, so I'm really excited about it. I'm really pregnant, as you can see with my face is like super swollen. I'm just swollen all over. There's the baby. He's growing. I am almost 36 weeks. I believe I'm like 35 weeks and 5 days or 6 days, somewhere around there. So I'm almost there. I'm due next month on the 26th, but I'm hoping that he'll get here sooner. I hope that this video brings you lots of motivation to get some cleaning done. So this is the craziness that I am going to be cleaning. It is so crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a dishwasher here, and so it's been really hard to keep up with the dishes, and I hate whenever I do this, but I'm so tired. Like, it's so hard to get anything done that I just let it pile up, and then I have a big old huge stack of dishes to wash. So I'm gonna be working on cleaning all of this.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela, and today I'm just bringing you guys some more cleaning motivation. I know that I said that before, but I am repeating myself. So we just recently moved into this home that you are seeing now. I do plan on eventually renovating this kitchen, so it's not going to look like this for too long. I don't know when I'm going to do that, but I want to do it soon. But I am about to have a baby in a month. You guys, I cannot believe that we are having baby number 4 in about 28 days. It just blows my mind to think that we went from having one baby, or I shouldn't even call him a baby. He was 14 when we had our daughter, so we had him, just him by himself for 14 years, and to now having a 4 in a matter of what, 3 years. It's so crazy. You guys, I cannot wait to get a new kitchen faucet. As you can see, I am using a glass to rinse off my sink. It's so funny, but it's okay. I know I'm gonna get a new one eventually. You guys, I swear I'm not talking to myself. I was talking to Alexa. She was making me so mad. I was telling her to play a certain song and she was not listening to me. And so if you see me talking to somebody or something, it's Alexa. You guys, this little helper right here is my daughter Jordan. She loves helping me, and so that's what she's doing here. She's helping me put the dishes away. So this is pretty much where I stopped for the day. I started feeling really sick, and so Jordan's still there. I pretty much put all of the knives away so that way she wouldn't be able to get a hold of them, but she's just there trying to finish up putting up the silverware for me, and so that's what she's doing there. So this is the next day. I didn't get to finish the day before. So I'm just finishing up the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.